Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Koala Crate and I'm very excited to get into this and for my 4-year-old to be able to do it. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you unboxings, which we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas and organizational ideas and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this crate. Okay, so the Koala Crate this month is Playground and it says balance a seesaw, make a basketball hoop. We're all about the basketball hoops this month because Eureka Crate is also a basketball type thing. And then get moving with exercise games. So that sounds like a lot of fun. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. It has our magazine on the top that my kids just love to look through these things. And they usually have a few activities and sometimes they have like a food item or an extra craft. So this one looks like you can make a jump rope. And then these are our instructions. They just fold out. I can't get it open, but here we go. That sounded so weird, guys. Sometimes I'm just weirdo. So we have a little ball, like it looks like a beach ball, but very mini size. And then we have some little wooden beads and some foam things. So I'm not sure what these are all going to be for. And some suction cups and a bunch of little foam decorating pieces. Maybe we're gonna decorate little people or something with that. We have some wood pieces right here. And so that will be fun. I'm like, I don't know what all these projects are for. Maybe that's for a basketball hoop. And then this says long jump. This says follow a path. So I wonder if these are some of the exercises they're gonna do. So that's a good way to get those wiggles out. There's some blue tape right here. And then, I don't know, this might be a backboard. It's kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna like flick myself with the rubber band, but there's nothing on here, it's just plain. So I wonder if this is like the backboard. And then a tube for something and some more tape. And I think that's it. So we have some orange tape as well. So that's what's in here. This sounds like a lot of fun and a good way to like get your little kids moving. So I'm gonna let my daughter get at it and we will let you know how it goes. Okay, so Lydia finished doing the Koala Crate, and this one was actually a lot of fun. I liked all the activities, and I thought they all went pretty well. Huh? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to show first? So this is the last activity that we did. I forget what they call this. Let's see in our little instructions. This is an indoor playground. So she's holding up cards. You're holding them backwards. Hold them this way. And so this was part of the game. It has like walk and jump and stuff on it. So that was part of these cards. So it belonged to this one with follow the path. So it gives you this tape right here that you can use to decorate the floor and make a little path. And then you can draw one of those cards that, you know, some say walk backwards, spin around, and then you try to follow the path while you're doing that thing. So that was a lot of fun. Our floor was all covered in tape everywhere. It was pretty funny. And then they have one to practice the long jump. They have one, let's see, we just did that one, a maze. So you can do a maze and then it tells you how to play on the back. And then the spider web That one's the one you like the best, huh? Yeah. All of them were having a lot of fun trying to get through the spider web. We did it at the top of our stairs just because you need walls that are kind of close together. So that one was a lot of fun. So they always have like some sort of game included in this, but I felt like this was one of the better games and one that we could do more with. We're moving on to the next thing. So this is a balancing seesaw. So these little people here move. They can move her fingers in the way, but they can move back and forth and you can take them off and switch them around and see if they balance or not. And then she also got to decorate them. So if you can see, they have like little faces on them. Sorry, she keeps hitting the table, which bumps the camera. We showed them the tape already. You want to show them again? And so these ones all have little pictures on them. What's this one supposed to be a picture of? Do you remember?
A bird.
A bird. And so on here, it gives you different, she just keeps hitting the table. Okay, just sit right here, okay? And so on here, it gives you some different options of ideas for how to decorate the beads. So you can decorate them like they suggest, like a dog, a pig, a cat. So these are the little stickers, or you could do your own thing because there's plenty of stickers. You could pick your own thing to do. We just followed that because it was an easy like visual for her to follow. So like this is her dog and stuff. But I like this idea of the science behind it, of trying to figure out what balance is, and if you move them closer to the center, what happens? If you move them further away, okay, hold on one second, what happens, and things like that. So we actually have a game that's like balancing beans or something from Think Fun, and it's a similar idea. So this is just a fun way for them to be exposed to some science. What are you looking at? And then she did basketball. So that was another outdoor sport. She just dropped the basketball on the floor. So this is just a teeny little beach ball that you can blow up, and you use it for some of the playground games as well. And then we did her little basketball hoop, which was really easy to put together. You just have this little piece on the back and then put the tubing on these little pegs, which was pretty easy for her to do, huh? And then you can hang it up because it has a little suction cups on the back. I'm like, what are these things called? So you can hang it up on the window or wherever, maybe a mirror, I guess, I don't know, since this is a soft ball. And then you can play basketball with it. So that was also a lot of fun. And I felt like on here that this was pretty accurate. There was not really a mess, and it says low messiness for all of these activities. And then grown-up involvement's medium for the seesaw and for the basketball, but then a lot, like it's high for indoor playground, which is very true. She could not like rip this tape and set up the little mazes and stuff. I did all that, and then she played with it. So maybe with a slightly older kid or something, they might be able to do it themselves. But this one did definitely require a lot more parent involvement. So did you have a favorite part? What was your favorite activity that we did?
The basketball hoop.
You like the basketball hoop the most? Yeah, that one was fun. She wants to practice her basketball. And again, I don't think there was anything super hard for her. For the most part, everything was fairly easy, except maybe doing the tape, huh? Yeah, taping everything on the floor was a little bit hard. So we enjoyed doing the Koala Crate this month. And so if you enjoy seeing these types of videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.